HeatMap Theme supports the WordPress background manager, so what I'm going to do now is quickly show you how to change the default background of HeatMap Theme Pro. So I'm going to head into the dashboard and we're going to head down to background under the appearance menu, and next I'm just going to upload an image, and I've got one that I prepared earlier. It's just a small 100 by 100 tiling GIF that I'm going to tile across the background. I'm going to click on open and then upload. You can see the pattern appears here. You can see it's tiled. And if you want to change how it all tiles or how it's shown on the background, then you can set these settings here. Okay, so I'm just going to save the changes and we'll have a look. And you can see that I've got a lovely tiled background now. So that's another way you can personalize your HeatMap Theme Pro blog.